is life.
Auntie, brother, don't overlook herbs. Start using it now. Herbs works wonder.
Show to do to don't come over for better life, yo. Giddy bam, don't land, yo. Giddy bam.
Come. Must you allow that BP to give you stroke before you treat yourself now? Go and start using your herbs. Control the BP now.
Nature is life, oh. Nature na God, oh. Nature is life, oh.
All those infection, that sweetie where they scratch you like say tomorrow no day. Start using your herbs now. Make you get yourself. You hear?
Have some abido shake out, sickness, clear road, oh. Have so don't come, oh. I don't well, oh. Giddy bam.
Sister, that your breast where they leak milk and you know they nurse baby. That thing no be milk, oh. Now time bomb, oh. You dey look for person where you go eye before you go take your herbs now. Take your herbs now, make you come thank me later.
Nature